Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into OneNote so your notebooks sync to OneDrive. This prevents loss and keeps versions consistent. Once signed in, open the OneNote app and create a new notebook for this topic. Name it clearly. Then, pair and enable the Surface Pen in Windows settings and map the shortcut to open OneNote. This gives you instant access. Also make sure your Surface has battery and Windows updates installed because performance affects handwriting responsiveness. Once your notebook exists, create sections and pages to mirror your workflow. You want structure before you capture lots of content. Use the pen tool to write naturally, switch to highlighter to mark key ideas, and use the lasso to select handwriting for conversion to text. Insert images or PDFs for reference, and record audio during lectures to sync playback with notes. Also tag items like to do or important so search finds deadlines quickly. This keeps you productive and reduces clutter. To finish, tidy your notebook. Rearrange pages, merge related notes, and export critical pages as PDF when sharing or submitting work. Make sure OneNote sync completes. If offline, force a sync once reconnected to avoid conflicts. For final polish, convert handwritten notes to text where needed, and use search to verify tags worked. If things go wrong, like pen lag or missyncs, update Surface drivers, calibrate the touchscreen, and clear OneNote cache. These steps usually fix responsiveness and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.